Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you about world-famous drink. Tea is a refreshing and aromatic drink made steeping the leaves of Camellia sinensis in hot water. Believed to have been discovered in 2737 BCE by Chinese sage Emperor Shen. Tea is the second most consumed beverage in the world after water. While talking about the tea industry, world-famous tea manufacturer China produced approximately 2.62 million metric tons of tea in 2018, up from about 1.02 million metric tons in 2006. Indonesia, India, China, Sri Lanka and Kenya were rated as the world's largest tea exporting countries. Tea is one of the most popular drinks in the world. The tea leaf itself is packed with different compounds, the main ones being polyphenols, which can be up to 40% of the dry weight of the leaf. There are also amino acids, enzymes, methylxanthines such as caffeine, minerals and vitamins, and more than 700 aroma compounds in tea. The main difference between tea types is largely based on the level of oxidation. Black tea is fully fermented, the most common type of tea, from Sri Lanka, India, Kenya and other former British colonies. Black tea is picked, withered, to reduce moisture and make the leaf pliable, then rolled, fermented, and dried before sifting. A good leaf standard of 2 to 3 leaves and bud is considered. Polyphenol oxidus, polyphenols, amino acids and caffeine, for black tea, are concentrated in the bud and the first 2 leaves. White tea, known in Sri Lanka as silver tips, is amongst the most rare and refined of teas for the discerning tea drinker. Whilst most of the tea labeled white tea around the world is in fact a mix of a nominal amount of white tea and green or black teas, real white tea maintains a specific appearance with a silvery leaf, with velvety texture and producing a bright golden liquor when brewed. Silver tips, real white tea, is made from the hand-picked buds of the Camellia sinensis plant. The picking is restricted to the most experienced tea pickers, as it requires gentleness to avoid damaging the cells within the bud and causing fermentation, and therefore bitterness, to develop within the bud. First I will tell you about green tea, one of the famous tea type and one of my favorites. Green tea, originating in China and grown also in Japan, Vietnam, Taiwan, and increasingly in India and Sri Lanka. Green tea is unfermented, maintaining a generally mild and light characteristics. The leaf is picked, withered, heated and then rolled before drying and sifting. Now I tell you about oolong tea. Oolong teas, varying from springtime oolong teas, which has a gentle, floral and mild sweetness, to the heavier, dark oolongs, which are woody, sometimes earthy with heavy fruit, and occasionally caramelized. Oolong teas are partly oxidized or fermented. The teas are picked, often 3 leaves and a. Then I want to let you know about fermented tea. Fermented tea is a class of tea that has undergone microbial fermentation from several months to many years. The exposure of the tea leaves to humidity and oxygen during the process also causes endooxidation and exooxidation. The tea leaves and the liquor made from them become darker with oxidation. Thus, the various kinds of fermented teas produced across China are also referred to as dark tea, not be confused with black tea. The most famous herbal teas, less commonly called tisanes, are beverages made from the infusion or decoction of herbs, spices, or other plant material in hot water. The term herbal tea is often used in contrast to true teas, which are prepared from the cured leaves of the tea plant Camellia sinensis. Unlike coffee and true teas, which are also available decaffeinated, most tisanes do not contain caffeine naturally. Finally, I want to tell you about yellow tea. Native to China, yellow tea is another drink that has slowly gained popularity across the world. This one is a little different in taste, as it offers a fruity and distinct aftertaste, smooth texture, and a pleasing aroma. When it comes to benefits, it is somewhat similar to green tea. However, it is easier on the stomach as compared to green tea and other teas as well. The bright yellow color of this hot drink is not natural and is attained through a process called sealed yellowing. Under this process, the tea polyphenols, catechins, are first oxidized to attain the yellow tinge, and then further treated to preserve the color. Now I am going to tell you what are the chemistry behind tea. Polyphenols provide a significant portion of the taste and the health benefits found in tea. Two classes of polyphenols are tannins, found also in wine, and flavonoids. Tea is rich in flavonoids, like antioxidants. The human body produces unstable molecules called oxidants or free radicals. To become stable, these oxidants steal electrons from other molecules and thereby damage the cells and can even cause DNA aberrations. Antioxidants bond to oxidants such as free radicals and inhibit the chemical reactions that cause cellular damage. Antioxidants can even target and repair DNA damage. All teas made with Camellia sinensis tea leaves are high in flavonoids. L-theanine is an amino acid that occurs naturally in the Camellia sinensis plant. In fact, unless you take an artificially manufactured dietary supplement, tea is the only way to get L-theanine in your diet. This powerful amino acid boosts alpha wave activity in our brains, which promotes a state of relaxed concentration. Think quiet alertness. The calming effect. Studies have found that some teas may help to reduce cancer, heart disease, and diabetes, encourage weight loss, lower cholesterol, and bring about mental. I hope all of you enjoy my video. My next video is about benefits of drinking green tea. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave a comment below. See you next time.